What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are having a look into Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 smartphone, which comes with a fantastic feature and can only be seen in a flagship mobile phones. Starting with the 4GB of RAM and 120GB of ROM, 6.43 AMOLED dot display with the battery life of 5000 mAh. Also support fast charging with 33 watt of power adapter provided, and come with a 48 megapixel wide angle camera. Not that bad features, to be honest with you, to start with. Within the packaging with this Redmi Note 10 you are getting one SIM card extractor tool, couple of user manuals, one cheap looking but worth having silicone cover, one USB-C type charging cable, 33 watt power charger, and in last but not least a Redmi Note 10. Now, using this Redmi Note 10 first time and looking into its quality, I can only say few things about it. The smartened up enhanced look and feel is a fully upgraded with the flagship design, where the body has a curved back, flattened ends and tapered edges to offer a redefined and premium appearances for sure. Now, from the side of all input and output ports as well as the buttons are located on the right places where you expect from any mobile phone, starting with the speaker, which you have two available on it, one on the top, another one in the bottom of it. And also this mobile phone comes with the IR blaster and a microphone input next to it. There's something else you're going to notice on this mobile phone is actually a 3.5mm auxiliary port, which is less likely to be found nowadays on mobile phones. Over on right hand side, you're going to have an access for your volume control, along with the multifunctional power button and a fingerprint scanner. Back of mobile phone is a gloss finish plastic, whereas it feels like it's an aluminium. And this gloss also catches a lot of dust as well. Now, to protect it all, they have provided the silicone case too, and come with a very much powerful performance brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 chipset, which is octa-core CPU with the frequency range up to 2.4 GHz with the GPU of a Qualcomm Adreno 612. And from the side of display and design, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 is featuring a 6.4 3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display, Corning with the Gorilla Glass 3 with the resolution of 2400 by 1080, supporting dual speaker for high-res sound with the contrast ratio of 45 million to 1. And also from the side of lights, it's got about 1000 nits peak brightness. Pretty bright for the indoors and outdoors for sure. And let's not forget about the very important factor, the camera. Redmi Note 10 is equipped with an AI quad camera, which enables you to explore more, capture all the scenes from your daily life in detail. Whether you are in shooting in vast mountain, range, distance, whatever, it covers everything. In the main camera, you have got a 48 megapixel camera, which is pretty decent, an ultra wide angle camera which is 8 megapixel, and a macro lens camera which is 2 megapixel, and a depth sensor which is 2 megapixel. And for taking fantastic selfies, you got a 13 megapixel in display front camera, which takes fantastic and stunning pictures for sure. Here are some of the pictures which I have taken using this mobile phone, and I can tell you that how detailed everything is coming into it, and I can compare the photos taken from this smartphone with my Huawei P30 Pro, which I like the most too. Now, as in the beginning of this video, starting with the features, I mentioned about a 5000 mAh battery and a 33 watt of fast charging power socket, which technically reduces the waiting time on charging your batteries. It's basically a mini turbo charger. You can charge your mobile phone up to 50% in first 25 minutes. That's not bad at all, to be honest with you, and the fast charge is really fast as well. From the side of operating system, Redmi Note 10 is running Android 11 with MIUI interface on top of it, which makes this whole operation very much smooth in terms of accessing all the application, all the settings as well, right on the top as well, and where you can see everything well accessible like you see running in any Android mobile phone, where within the settings you have access for your phone data. You can update it online as well whenever a new update version is available, security options, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth and network sharing, and everything you wanted to have in there. where on the screen you can also add extra widgets as well by press and hold on top of it and select the widgets right from bottom in here. Or you also have a news tab as well, pretty much nicely structured, and it's very much smooth in terms of working as well. You will not see any stutter or anything like that at all. That is a good one for sure. I really can't see the problem at all in terms of its operating system, and that's my own opinion. Now over on smartphone, you also have a fingerprint scanner which is on a power on button, and it works very much effectively as well. Simply press on it and off you go without a delay of a 1 second actually. And you also have other options as well if you want to utilize them, like a screen lock, fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and a Bluetooth as well. Redmi Note 10 also come with the OLED display, which will give you advantage towards having an always on display, and you also get a very good choice as well with that. And within the always on display and a lock screen, you can actually turn on always on display if you want to, or if by going in there you can have a choice as well that what would you like to do with it. There's a pretty decent amount of choices available in here as well. You also get the option for lock screen from third party if you want to, by just simply going into this option and what information you would like to display to. And from the side of playback performance, I played YouTube Full HD 1080p videos on the mobile phone. They were working very smoothly. The transition was awesome, to be honest with you. And I also tried to play some Netflix as well. Works great on it in Full HD, no doubt whatsoever. And now from the performance side of a gameplay, it is smooth as butter, to be honest with you. The only game which I have played is Asphalt 8, but you can play all the other action games as well on high performance without getting this mobile phone warmer. While you can see me playing this game, actually I am very much bad in it. Now over on smartphone, I have two speakers to give you a fantastic output actually, and they are pretty much loud for the price you are paying and the size they are in. Let me show you its performance. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and honestly speaking, so far so good. There are so many things I can tell you about this mobile phone which I like the most, but let me be a bit brief of all about it. Now starting with the build quality. Now you feel like that it looks like it's a very competitive price cell phone, so it will be cheaper in a build quality wise, but honestly speaking, no guys, it is fantastic in terms of starting from the screen, which is a Gorilla Glass, very nice, while the back is more or less like a glossy finish, but it's actually a plastic. But that will not harm you at all. Looks pretty okayish and glossy as well, but more prone towards getting the fingerprint marks. But honestly speaking, you do not need to worry about it at all, because Redmi also provide you a transparent case which goes on the back. Works perfectly great. And also not many mobile phones nowadays come with a 3.5mm output jack, which is fantastic to use your old earphones if you have them still handy. Now speakers on the mobile phone are fantastic. I can compare this performance with the normal 2-watt speakers I have reviewed in past on my channel. That's not bad at all. The IR blaster is completely a bonus to have, and it works great as well. Well, nowadays you can spend hundreds of pounds to get a best mobile phone, but the things you will be looking for will be very much simple. First thing would be the camera. This phone has got it, works great as well. The second thing is the battery life. Can it last you a day by using it in and out every time using your all social media? Well, this mobile phone can do it as well, and also come with the fast chargers as well. What else you want? Now the third thing will be the display. Can this mobile phone play full HD video or not? Yes guys, you can enjoy your Netflix and full HD 1080p, no problem whatsoever using this mobile phone. I have tried it all and worked awesome for me. And the last point would be, will this mobile phone when you buy it break your bank? No guys. This smartphone, you can get it in very much competitive price, and price always changes as well. So keep checking the link in the video description, which will give you better idea. Now, if you still have any more reservation about this mobile phone or like to know more about it, comment section is available for you. So why not write down anything in the comment section which you wanted to know about this mobile phone. Now that would be completely all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.